Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing a small workspace and putting on safety glasses. This prevents debris injuries. Once done, inspect the connector to determine whether the pin is crimped, soldered, or push-fit so you know your approach. Use a thin pick to lift retention tabs while you stabilize the cable with needle nose pliers. Steady pressure matters. If soldered, stop here and prepare a soldering iron to melt the joint. Do not yank. Make sure to keep parts organized as you proceed. You now focus on freeing the pin without damaging the connector. First, release any retention tabs by inserting the pick and levering gently. Once the clip disengages, the pin should move. For soldered pins, apply moderate heat until solder liquefies, then withdraw the pin while the solder stays molten. Use needle nose pliers to pull straight out. Avoid twisting aggressively. If the pin is stubborn, rock it back and forth slightly to break any corrosion before you finish by cleaning any solder residue and inspecting the connector for bent or torn contacts. Repair or replace damaged parts immediately. Once the pin is removed, check continuity with a meter to confirm a clean break or reconnection plan. If removal failed, reheat the joint briefly and retry straight pulls, or switch to a dedicated pin extraction tool. Do not force it, which causes further damage. Remember, replace the connector if you see deformation. You save time and avoid intermittent faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.